What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival, a special car, to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. 1989 Turbo Trans Am. And man, this is one of my favorite cars ever made. And this is a very good example of one. Let's get into it. First off, you see I got it running. Runs great. It's got the Buick 3.8 liter Turbo 6. As you can see, this car is extremely clean. Engine bay is really clean. Your hood struts are good. Really, really strong. But closes nicely, as you can see. Let's go ahead and give that open again so I can finish showing you. And this thing has low miles. As you can see, extremely clean underneath here. I mean, you could eat off of the engine bay of this car. The underneath is just as clean. There's your VIN there. All your stickers. Let's get into what works and what does not work before I turn this thing off. Let's go with the lights. Interior lights, I'll show you interior lights first. Interior lights work. As you can see, they dim. Try your AC. AC blows cold. Your heat blows hot. Works great. Every slider knob it just feels really good. The radio, not sure what the story is here. LOC, you know, the Delco lock. Power doesn't do anything, so I'm not sure if the radio does work. I would imagine it does. Interior's a 9 out of 10. Extremely clean. Horn works. Wipers work, and the washer fluid. Not much in there, but does indeed work. It's got cruise control, tilt wheel. Just a very nice example. Let's try your hazards. Hazards work. Look at those honeycomb lights. Oh, I love these cars. It does look like your flip-up headlights are not currently working. The lights do work, but this one's kind of stuck. You don't want to pull on it too hard. This one goes up and down. It's winking at you. That is something we will address and look into. That is something we will 100% address and look into. We do have a full service center, but most of our cars, well, all of them are sold as is unless it is otherwise stated. And like I said, we'll look into the lights. Other than that, runs great, sounds great. Power windows work great, nice and strong, not slow. Power locks, just love the sound of that. They work, everything works, man. It's just, like I said, with the exception of the lights going up, and we'll look into that, everything works. Let's pop the trunk. button works. Really clean in here. You got your T-top covers. T-tops are in great shape, by the way. They do look like they are glass T-tops. They are glass. Really clean back here. The model car and the green light diecast do come with the car. So you got something nice you could put in there for car shows. Like to lay these here. Boom. Pretty rare model kit, and I would assume that's pretty rare. So nice collectibles that come with the car. Soft close does work. Look at that. And the paint is in great shape as well. Original paint. The paint's about a 9 out of 10. And it's original, so that says a lot. We got a copy of what would be the original window sticker, I believe. I didn't match the VIN. It's just some pictures here. Blah, blah, blah. So you got this. Comes with the car. Everything in here comes with the car. So let's go ahead and lower this hood. If you're looking for a turbo Trans Am that's in pretty much immaculate shape, this is the car. Beautiful car. Paint is very nice. Some discoloration here on the impact strip, but that's about it. Wheels are in great shape. Just an outstanding car, fun to drive. Yeah, stop on by. I'm Jim Classic Cars. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock. Give us a call, 847-848-1850. Or visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. And this isn't the only turbo Trans Am we have. See this one? There's one right there. So stop on by. We got what you want. Remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. We have a full service center. But cars are sold as is, unless otherwise stated. Speak to your sales representative for a service quote. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you soon here at Jim Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Bye-bye, everyone.